Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live in Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday for me. Markets will be open in a couple of hours. But let's share this. So welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just noting trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we're not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. Okay, let's go look at some pairs. We'll go through them. Rightio. Here's AUD CAD. Okay. Okay. Pop back down. It's coming back up again. Right, let me just have a look where. Oh yeah. Well, we'll see what happens when market opens. We'll do with that one. AUD CHF, I'm in the sell, and it's selling down nicely at the moment. It may do a pullback, but we'll just see. I'm in plus at the moment. See how it's pulled back up there? Anyway, it's okay. I'm in the right direction. AUD JPY. We got weak ups, weak downs. We'll just look at that. We'll see a lot of choppiness. AUD NZD. Whoa, that's taken off. Well, let's look at that for the sellout. That's what I'm looking for. I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, I don't have an order. But anyway, see what happens. Let's clean on that one. AD Singapore. I'm actually in a buy, and that is negative on me at the moment. Let's see if we get one more. Anyway. Take it for a buy up anyway. AUD USD. That one for a sell. It's come down here. Now, whether it punches back up again, it has just there. So I'm in a slight amount of drawdown. We'll just see whether I get out of it or whether it continues down. Okay. Wait for the market to open and settle down. CAD CHR. Appreciate Tom was in this. I was waiting for pullback before I get into that sell. CAD J. Ooh, okay. That's one worth looking at for a potential sell. Okay. Breaks down there. Well, we're off and running. All right, CHF JPY. No. Euro AUD. Let's wait for that pullback now. Here, pull back down and get into the buy. Okay, Euro CAD. Whoa, that's taken off. You got lost out on that one. Yeah, it took out my stop. Actually, I'll leave it in there. So, but we might have got a turn here. That's why I had that as a. But what it did is it just pushed down, got me in, and then pushed up. All right. Um, Euro CHF. Again, looking for that one to. Tom thought it would maybe come back here, but it hasn't. It's just kept going. So, mhm. Euro GBP. Let's just pull out. Let's see what happens when the market opens. Actually, I'll go back to Euro CHF. That'll do a turn, I reckon. We'll need to put something on there to watch it. Euro JPY. Mm. Mm. Let's have a look at that. Euro NZD. Oh, rightio. Okay. Well, that is when market opens. I'll see what the spread is, but then potentially get into that buy. Because there's going to need to be some sort of pullback. Anyway, Euro Singapore. That's another one to get in. A lot of euros, huh? Okay, Euro USD. Don't tend to trade it because it's pretty choppy. We'll see what happens when it gets to here, whether it breaks through or not. All right, GA. 4. It's probably still in that one. No, wait for the market to open. GBP CAD, same. It's gone crazy as well. GBP CHF as well. Ah, but there's a turn. Okay. And GJ. Oh, yeah. GBP New Zealand. Hmm. GBP Singapore. Let's take it. Well, we'll look at potential turn there. And GU. Right. Standard pullback, but we'll just see. This could just keep going up. Looks like the GBP's got a fair bit of strength in it. NCAD, right. Sellout going there. NZD CHF, big sellout there. NZD JPY as well. And then you will. Yeah. So as well, all those New Zealands. And you get it. So Singapore, Japanese yen. Hmm. Fair bit of sideways going there. Oh, let's sell. Well, we'll take that off. That's what's indicating. All right. USD CAD. Okay. Yeah, well, look at that potentially for the buyout. We'll just see though. USD CHF. Let's change its tune and looking for a sell. Probably after Friday. USD JPY. Again, selling out. They're all selling out the USDs. Oh, this is the only one that looks like it's buyer. Okay. Gold is there. Potentially to buy back. and silver. That little pullback. Okay, now Bitcoin's 117, so hasn't gone very far. And oil is at 63. Hmm. It's not doing any sort of big move at the moment. Be news that will spike it or whatever. Okay, cocoa's at 9. All right. And the copper has just leveled back off where it was before. And that's it. So, um, yeah. Okay. Share name. Copy. Yeah, share back here. This is what Darren's got a few of these packages. They try to they got their courses and profiles and stuff like that. Uh, there's FOREX robots, cryptos, gold ones, prop firm ones, um, third party EAs. All right. There's all that stuff. See some of the third party ones. Oh, no products. Okay. And then prop firm ones. Hmm, a bit weird. Don't even have any pictures. Hmm, a bit weird. Commodities. They're not even telling you which ones or anything. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. This is interesting. Yeah, here we go. They're saying it. Manager 10, tested on demos vital, track the performance, and then select the best EAs. Yeah, I don't know what the. Anyway, um, results. Just go there because you can check each one from that point. Yeah, Studio, Dark Titan, got all these ones. You can see number of trades. I don't know what the search counts. No, but all. Okay. I think, yeah, it's track live, publicly visible. You can see the wins and losses, everything in between. No field, no secrets. Profit, he has multiple brokers defined. Carefully selected, backtest and optimized, and the best performance. Okay, he reckons. So these are just a robot. Then we've got challenge accounts. Then we've got instant funding accounts. Wow. Incompatible accounts. Hmm. All right. Okay, so if we just look up here, the robots, Dark Moon, News Catcher, thing, FOREX Flex. These are the brokers, so 8 cap, Black Ball, 8 cap, 8 cap, IC markets. They're all $1,000. So I don't know what the timing in this is. Trading profit loss, equity balance, initial balance, what the current balance is, what the equity. Okay. That's profit gains, profit in 30 days, 30 days percentage, number of trades. Okay. Hmm. Well, this must be, oh, there's only the gain 30 days and stuff, number of trades, but it does tell you what the balance and equity are. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Look at these figures. Mhm. Yeah, house range is one. It doesn't tell you when they started. Okay. Golden pickaxe. Hmm. Happy gold. This is recovery one. It's actually done really well. Oh, at the moment, yeah. Dark Algo. I know you did CAD. Done all right too. Yeah, Market Master. This is the one I'm looking at here. Hmm. You look there. It takes you to the actual. Hmm. Track record. It's 34% drawdown. Hmm. Jesus, not a bad return. Hmm. Doesn't give us a drawdown. Well, July 24. There's 8% drawdown. Hmm. Okay. Right. Okay. Oh, there's that. Oh, and then what we got FAQs. All right. So I don't know what the leverage, because it actually says here they're not giving you a thing and it doesn't tell you what the starting balance should be. Rightio. Okay. Under resources. Okay. Anyway, well, that's enough for me today. Um, Tom's out somewhere and Darren's probably busy. So we will, oh, go with that. We just go back. Yeah, we'll look at some of these other ones as well. Oh, USD CAD. Oh, that one's USD CAD. Doesn't say what that is. Oh, it's a thing. Oh, instant funds is it? Okay. Yeah, USD CAD looks like what that one is. Don't know what they're trading on that one. It just takes you to that. Yeah, it doesn't. tell you what they're actually trading. Anyway, Havix Proctor. Okay. This is yeah, it's had a big sharpshooter has anyway. A big take on it in it. A few bits and pieces. Anyway, there's lots of videos in relation to it, so just looking at a few of those. And then they've got these other, like for example, FOREX robots. If you come here, yeah, there's all of these other ones. Night Hunter, Evening. Well, they're all about by Valerie Trading. That's by Valerie. The A Trading Academy will put together Leap, Happy Forex, Leap, FX Automated, FX Eternals. Hmm. And Leap. There's quite a few by the same sort of people, so I think Happy Gold is one that seems to be performing okay. And let's have a look at the prop ones. Happy Gold there. Prop firm, prop EAs. Well, settings, 5-star review. Right, there's no lifetime. Wow. Yeah, I don't know whether that one not buy outright stuff. No. Or this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Surprise on these ones. Page doesn't exist. Okay, so the link doesn't work. Okay. I'll have to watch that one. Okay. All right then. No worries. Okay, well that's me for today. We'll just have a look at some of that stuff anyway from EAs and looking at trades as well. So, so here we go. All right then. Until tomorrow. Take it easy, everyone.